My name's Lynn O'Dowd.
And Sean.
And we have lived here for 24 years, since 2001.
It was just getting weathered. It was tired, just to look at it. You could see the wear and tear on it after all those years.
There was rust starting on the mirror area. The sink was scratched. The tiles were coming off the bathroom wall, so it was time. It needed work.
When we looked at some of the upgrades and things like that, it's like, what do we do to make it modern? What do we do to bring it up to the standards that you live with now? Better lighting for all the areas above the sinks, just the general area of the showers. This floor is the original floor that came with the house. Lynn saw this floor underneath it. I was like, oh my gosh.
We have to have this floor.
Is there any way to save that?
Right.
It had years of adhesive from different floors. Over the years, people had tried to grout it and re-grout it. So it was a significant amount of work. There's a lot of cleaners that you can use that will etch that and bring it back. And anybody can get a lot of these products. You don't have to be a contractor or anything.
When I saw the blue, I thought, oh, let's do the cabinet to match. And he actually took one of the tiles into Sherwin-Williams and they matched the color of that blue periwinkle.
We basically just replicated the countertop that was in there, which was Corian at that time, and just went with a hard surface quartz.
And then we actually had them make a piece from that countertop and made an extra shelf for the windowsill. So it makes the windowsill a little wider. I can put my tchotchkes there. Right? One of the things we really wanted to do was make sure that we could age in place. We are in our mid-60s and we'd like to stay here as long as we can, so those upgrades needed to happen also. Now we have the handheld shower Sean put in. Having surgery, able to grab the bar when you get off the toilet or in the bathtub. All of those things just make it so much easier.
What do I like about it? It's done.